So guys, today I'm showing you what I'm eating for Ramadan. And happy Ramadan. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. So bismillah, this is the first thing. Oh yeah. And what's this? Ooh. Okay. And this is cucumbers. Yeah. Let's see what this is. This is the chicken karai. You guys cannot see it because of the wrapper, but it's very delicious. How do I move this? Put this on. Okay, let's see what this is. Ooh, I think this is biryani. Okay. So, happy Ramadan, guys, and I hope you have a great Ramadan. Make sure to smile, and sorry guys for making the camera so close. Make sure to smile and be a good person. Bye bye.